Now I say about Mriksha Hotao and World Batao. For this reason, I discuss about the Gyan Yog. For this Yog, I describe it. I say we personalized differentiated beings. We personalize differentiated beings. For our reality, forget our reality. As personalized differentiated beings, forget our reality. And the teaching of monism is not that we shall give these differentiations, but we must learn to understand what they are. We are in reality and infinite beings, and our personalities different so many times through which this infinite reality is manifesting itself, and the whole mass of stages which we call evolution is wrought out by the soul trying to manifest more and more of its infinite energy. We cannot stop anywhere. We cannot stop anywhere on this side of this infinite. Our power and blessedness and wisdom cannot but go into the infinite power and existence and blessednesses are ours, and we have not to acquire them. They are our own, and we have only manifested them. This is the central idea of monism. Life is full of ill. Life is full of ill. The world is full of evil. That is a fact. No one who is old enough to know the world can deny. But what is the remedy proposed by all the religious? This world is nothing. Beyond this world is something which is very real. Here comes the difficulty. The remedy seems to destroy anything, to destroy everything. In this no way out there. The Dharma Shastra. Read Dharma Shastra deeply. The Dharma Shastra says that what all the religious advance. The Dharma Shastra says that what all the religious advance is perfectly true. The Dharma Shastra discuss that what all the religious advance is perfectly true, but it should be properly understood. All the Dharma Shastra does not in reality denounce the world. The idea of renunciation nowhere attains such a height as it is teaching of the Dharma Shastra. But all the same time, thy suicidal advice is not intended. It really means a deification of the world, giving up the world as we think of it, as we know it, as it appears to us, and to know what is reality is deify. It is God alone. Only one God. There are nothing, only one God. The name of the God is God Kolki, others nothing. We read at the commencement of one of the oldest of the book, Dharma Shastra book, oldest book, which is named Upanishad. Whatever exists in the universe is to be covered with the Lord. We have to cover everything with the Lord Himself, not by the false sort of optimism, not by blinding our eyes to the evil, but by really seeing God is in everything. Really see. Follow the Dharma Shastra deeply. You will really see God in everything. God is everything. God in everything. Thus, we have to give up the world, and when the world is given up, what remains? God. What is meant? You can have your wife. It does not mean that you are to abandon her, but that you are to see God in the wife, in this wife. God is everything. God is everything. You can get your wife. It does not mean that you are the abandoned her, but that you are to see God in his wife. Your wife is God. Give up your children. What does that mean? Say your children. Your wife is God. Your wife is God. Say your children to turn them out of divorce as to human brutes do in every country. Certainly not. Certainly not. That is diabolism. It is not religion. It is not religion. It is not religion. But see God in your children. So in everything, in life and in death, in happiness and in misery, the Lord of equality present. The whole world is full of the Lord. Open your eyes and see Him. Open your eyes and see that the earth such it never existed. It was a dream. Maya. It is a dream. Maya. What existed was the Lord Himself. It is He who is in the child, in the life and in the husband. It is He who is in the God and in the bad. He is in the saint and in the sinner. He is in the life and in death. I shall discuss Raja Yoga. I discuss Jnana Yoga. Next, I shall discuss Raja Yoga. What is the name? What is Raja Yoga? What is Raja Yoga? Raja Yoga, the realization of the divinity through the control of mind. Summarily, the path of psychic control. Summary. If we say in summary, the path of psychic control, that calls Raja Yoga. The aim is to get rid of nature's control over us. That is the goal of the religions. That is the goal of the religions. What is the goal of the religions? The aim is to get rid of nature's control over us. It is the goal of all religions. The yogi tries to reach this goal through psychic control until we can free ourselves from nature. We are slaves and the dictators to we must go. The yogi claims that he who controls mind controls matter also. The internal nature is much be higher than the external and much more difficult to grapple with, much more difficult to control. Therefore, he who has conquered the internal nature control the whole universe, it becomes his servant. Raja Yoga propounds the method of gaining this control. He who has conquered the internal nature controls and whole universe. Who has conquered the internal nature controls the whole new universe. It becomes his servant. Raja Yoga propounds the method of gaining this control. What is Raja Yoga? Raja Yoga propagates the method of gaining this control. I shall discuss about Raja Yoga.